Okay, first we open the Excel application, then we select some columns, then we marger, enter your company name. Marger the column again and then write incoming letter agenda book because the first step of the archive is the incoming letter first. Then marger the column again and type month fill in according to what month you archive. Here I take the example of September, then also type year. Then select the ninth row cells, all border. The first column is no, then the date of receipt of the letter, date of the letter, letter no, sender, subject, forwarded to, archive code, classification, archive link, documentation. So that the text is not like this. Then we edit it. The way we click a ligament, we tick warp text, do the same to everything. Then we tidy up the columns, we pull the lines as you want. Then no is filled with the agenda number, or the order in which the letter came in, for example 001, and so on. To fill in the sender column, then we see the letter from whom the letter was sent here. I have an example of an incoming letter. Here the incoming letter is from PT Gemilang Asri Ing. We can see in this letter that the date of the letter is the 2nd of September, 2022. For the column for the date of receipt of the letter, we fill in the date, the 4th of September 2022. Why the 4th date? Because usually the letter is received after 2 days the letter is sent, because here the date is 2, then the date of receipt of the letter is the 4th. We can see the letter number 109/Roman numeral 9/2022. Then the subject. We can see what the subject is in the letter. Here the letter from PT Gemilang Asri is about a cooperation offer. For the archive code, we can refer to the archive clarification pattern. This is just an example because usually different companies have different archive codes. Because the letter is about a cooperation offer, so we see the clarification pattern. The cooperation offer enters the marketing section of the code 100 because it is a cooperation offer. The sub-problem is the offer code 00. The cooperation offer is 10. So the archive code is 100.00.10. Maftaman friend, it's a typo, just ignore it. Then do the same thing like that and so on until the letter runs out. Rename the sheets incoming letters, sorry for not going to the record earlier. Then create a new sheet with the anti-sheet name outgoing letters. Then create a title rich in the incoming letter. Sorry it was a typo, it should be outgoing letter agenda book. Then create the same columns as the incoming letter, but this outgoing letter is only 8 rows of columns. The contents of the column are no, letter date, sender, subject, relationship with other letters, archive code, classification, archive link, documentation. Still the same way, so that the text is not like this, sorry to be wrong again, it's not the sender, but sended to. And the subject is still the same as before. The relationship with other letters means that if we reply to a letter from the PT, it is filled in with the letter number. Then this is an example of a letter that has a relationship with another letter. Do the same until the outgoing mail runs out. Then we open the drive to create the closet archive code for the letter. Click New, choose New Folder, then give the name according to your PT. New Folder again to create an incoming letter folder.